Okay, good morning. This is Samuel Gaylord, managing partner of Gaylord Pop, and I'm here with another installment of sort of our how-to series regarding disability benefits that injured workers may be entitled to in the state of New Jersey. When someone is injured while in the course of their employment, if they are employed by the state of New Jersey or any particular county or municipality, they may be entitled to disability benefits if they're unable to return to their job through the public employee retirement system. In addition, if someone is a police officer or a fireman and also injured in the course of their employment and unable to return to their job as a police officer or fireman, they may be entitled to apply for a disability pension through the Police and Fire Retirement System, or PFRS. And if someone is a teacher, they are a member of the TPAF, or the Teachers Pension Association Fund, and they too may be entitled to receive disability benefits if they're unable to um, return to their position as a teacher. So, what I wanted to do today is sort of break up all of the information that we have regarding the how-to process regarding state disability pensions. The very first thing that someone needs to do if they are looking to apply for benefits is create what's called an MBOS account, or the system is called the Member Benefit Online System, MBOS. And basically, this is going to give the registered user access to their pension and health benefit accounts. In addition, the Division of Pensions and Benefits in the state of New Jersey no longer accepts paper applications, and so in order to submit your application for disability pension, it must be done online, and in order to have it done online, you must have an MBOS account. We'll go through that today and also in the next video, which will actually be the application for the disability pension. So the first thing is that you must register for an MBOS account, and then also myNewJersey account. Now, what happens is, I'm going to go up here. What happens is the first thing you want to do is go to this website right here. Right here. It's www.state.nj.us/treasury/pensions. And when you do that, the first thing you're going to see is the opportunity to apply for or register for your MBOS account. And we're just going to scroll up here and make sure that comes up here. There we go. Almost there. There we go. Register for MBOS. Now, if you already have an MBOS account, then certainly you can just log on to the MBOS area, which is right above it, right here. But otherwise, you want to register for your MBOS account. Now, the first thing that will appear once you do that is another box that will say and ask you to confirm that you are, in fact, the correct member registrant, and that you understand that the MBOS is only for the exclusive use of pension system members. And you would then hit continue and move through the next process. Now, the next thing that'll happen, okay, is that there's going to be a box that's going to ask you to fill in your information. So there are certain requirements that you're going to need. Your social security number, also which system you're in, whether you're part of PFRS, whether you're part of police and fire or teachers. And that's going to be here where it says fund. You'll hit that drop down arrow and all of the options will appear, and then you have to include your pension number, the email address that you would like to have used as where you will then get emailed once the application is all done. You'll receive an email indicating that it's been accomplished, and the phone number. You then hit submit. and then that will start the taking you to the next section, which is going to be where they're going to ask you to connect your MBOS account with your myNewJersey account. So this link will come up and it'll ask you if you already have the New Jersey login ID. And if you're going through and registering for the first time for an MBOS account, more than likely you will not have this link or have logged in already to myNewJersey. So you will hit no. And once you hit the no button, what then happens is it allows you to create your account. So you don't have that. We scroll down here, and here it is. Okay. This is the myNewJersey login. So this will allow you to then pick your ID, and you must remember it's got to be more than six characters long. You can't use punctuation as part of that. And then you pick your password. You want to keep this very secure. You also want to keep this written down somewhere. It is a royal pain in the you-know-where to get a new one and or to have it reset. So write it down, keep it someplace secure where you'll know it. Certainly a question that you want to ask, where you were born, your favorite color, your first dog or first pet, whatever you want to do, and then your answer there. Once that's accomplished, then what happens is you get notified. Here we go. That you get notified that you have been approved, and that the MBOS and the myNewJersey have been connected. Now, if you're not sure. And I want to show you this because it's very important. If you're not sure as you're going through this process whether you already have an MBOS account, it is very important to contact the Division of Pensions and Benefits. And their main number you can find right on the website, and the Division of Pensions and Benefits website. And you want to call down there, you want to speak to a representative, and they will give you that information. Further, it's very important to note that as of next April, I think April 2014, the MBOS, there's right now an information number for MBOS, but as of that date, that will no longer exist. That the only place you will be able to receive information is going to be actually at the Division of Pensions and Benefits, which, quite frankly, at times could require you to sit on the phone for 45 minutes to an hour before you're going to get any kind of response. So if you already have an account, or if you're not sure, please call, at least for now, the MBOS system, which is also on the pensions website, because if you go about the process of creating an account and you already have one, you will not be able to apply for your disability pension unless you're using the first account. So it prevents you from moving forward with the application for your disability pension if you already have an account. It'll indicate, it won't take you basically to the right spot where you have to go about applying for benefits. So the main thing that you want to, a couple main things before I leave here that you want to know. First, you want to make sure you have your pension ID, your pension number, your member number. You want to know what system you're in. You also want to have all your contact information, Social Security information, all that. Also, you want to make sure that you do not already or have not already signed up for MBOS. Like I said, it's a pain. We have to get on the phone with the MBOS representative and have them reconnect for you using then the first account that you forgot about in order to actually move forward with your application for a disability pension. And that's it for applying or signing up for MBOS. Again, just as a sort of a reminder that you're looking for this information because you've been injured in the course of your employment, and that there's the appearance that you may not be able to return to your particular job title. Remember, when applying for a disability pension in the state of New Jersey, the only requirement, one of the main requirements is that you can't return to work, but it does not mean that you are totally disabled. It means that you are unable to return to the particular job that you have titled when you were injured while in the course of your employment. In addition to the disability benefits, you certainly would be eligible for workers' compensation benefits if you're applying for an accidental disability. And if you have an unrelated illness, certainly at that point you're applying for an ordinary disability. And we'll sort of go into the distinctions between those in a subsequent video. Finally, remember, if you are injured and either at work or outside of work and can't return to your job, and you have been out of work for at least 6 months, and there's a doctor who's indicating you're going to be out of work for at least 1 year, you may also be eligible to apply for Social Security disability benefits. The most important thing that you can possibly do is consult with an attorney who has the expertise not only in any one of these areas, but the combined effects of each of them and each particular litigation. The attorneys here at Gaylord Pop have that specialty, have that knowledge regarding Social Security, disability pension, and workers' compensation, not just one or the other or the other. So if you have any questions, please feel free to visit us at www.gaylordpop.com, or you can call the office 609-771-8611 and speak to any one of our attorneys who can assist you with these particular areas. Again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Also, if you've enjoyed this video, please indicate that you like it on our YouTube channel, and it's certainly appreciated if you would forward this to anyone you may know via Facebook, Twitter, or any of the social media. Thank you, and I look forward to speaking to you during our next video.